Thinking about getting in shape is the first step. The next step is easy. Introducing Easy Step. Now you can enjoy the benefits of stair climbing in the comfort of your own home. Step by step, you lose weight aerobically as you firm and shape buttocks, thighs, and calves. The free step-in system adds an upper body workout to tone all major muscle groups. Scientifically engineered hydraulics provide just the right amount of resistance, and it's so portable, you can Easy Step anytime, anywhere. There's no assembly required, and Easy Step comes with an amazing 5-year warranty. Unlike this $1,000 monster, Easy Step can be yours for 3 easy payments of $33. Exclusively available from Fitness Effects. So take the Easy Step to a younger, firmer-looking you and order now.
Don't be fooled by imitations. Just call 1-800-652-4242. We'll bill your credit card 3 monthly payments of only $33 plus shipping and handling. To order your original Easy Step, call 1-800-652-4242.